Hello, hope you're all doing.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey.
Those situations when making yourself an earring. Okay, so with this you get your peacock. So stay tuned. You'd actually press it. It's like a gun, but not actually real. Like it's like a gun. So you press it, and then the glue comes out of it, and then you place it at the place where you would want it to be. I think I would want mine to be here. Okay, it's an earring, so you're making two pairs, and actually have to be sure that you place it at the exact same place where you've. Yep, this one. So I was looking at it to make sure I don't make a mistake and place it at the exact place. And this one too. Yeah, I hope I'm gonna place it at a super different place. I hope it's super extra closer. So this is how it's actually turned out to be. So these are it. So this is actually how it looks like. So I'll just pick up my plier, and then the hooks would actually open it up. Okay, so this is how it's looking like, completely opposite. Yeah, yep. So then I open the side. Okay, this is an applique. Okay, it was being woven on, so there's basically gonna be a hole in it. So I guess you just pull it through, and then I get my perfect hole without actually even using any scissors or that thing. And it was embroidered on it, so there are a bit of holes in it. Okay, so this is how we got in the first one. So this is the second one, the other pair. So definitely gonna open it like I did with the first one. Okay, opening in it. Okay, and then I put it inside it like this, and then I'll close it so that it just wouldn't fall off. Yep. So like this, you're ready to go. You're done with your earring, guys.